Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce correctly, finally, this famous semi-soft, non-aged cheese prepared originally in Italy. This is pronounced mozzarella, 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 mozzarella. Notice it's not mozzarella. There is a double Z, which is pronounced as a ts, but stronger / longer. A double L, once again, rella, rather than rela. And a slight trilled R. Mozzarella. As usual, don't over-exaggerate the rolling of the R. Don't say mozzarella, because no one says that. And just say mozzarella. Mozzarella. Fun enough, if you're really white because you don't go to the beach in summer, people call you a mozzarella in Italy. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.